In today's lecture, we are going to learn about one of the most useful list methods, the sort method, right? So by the end of this video, you will understand what is sort method, right? Why do we use it? Its syntax, how to sort the elements in ascending order uh, in the list, right? By the using of sort method, right? So let's get started. First of all, we will discuss what is sort method. The sort method is used to sort the elements of a list in ascending order by default, right? Ascending order means the numbers which sort in smallest to largest, right? If you have a string in a list, then it will sort what alphabetical order A to Z, right? So this is the syntax of sort method, right? So list name, right? You want to sort. Then after dot operator, then after we will write the sort keyword, right? Now we have a example, right? We have a list of numbers in which the elements are not sorted, right? Now I am going to use the sort method to sort the elements, right? I will write the list name, right? Then after I will use the sort method. Now I will print on the screen, right? Now I will run this program. You will get the output, right? First was 50, first element 20 and 10, 40 and 30. Now we have got the 10, 20 and 34, right? This is called sort method, right? Now we have a second example, real life example, in which sorting students marks from lowest to highest, right? So this is the real life example, right? If you are sorting the student marks, then you will use the sort method, right? So now I will use the sort method to sort the student marks, right? So I will print marks. Now I will run this program. You can I can write like this way, ascending order, right? Now I will run this program. You will get the output, right? This is your output. Now we have an example of a string list, right? We have a list of fruits in which we have stored the uh, string value, right? Then I will write the sort keyword, right? Now it will sort the alphabetical order, right? Suppose we have a apple, then it will come first. Then after B, it will come what? Banana, mango, orange, right? So this is all about the sort method in Python list, right? By doing sorting the list in ascending order, right? By default. In the next lecture, we will talk about how we sort the list elements in descending order, right? By the using of reverse is equal to true keyword, right? Now, if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel, right?